made it to Norway and I just checked into my little apartment hotel here. This was provided by the Northman OCR company. Awesome company. Thank you very much for having me, guys. I'm actually excited to film the race this weekend. Here is where I'm staying. There's where I'm gonna be sleeping for the next few days. Well, there's not really any plugs back here, so I'm actually gonna be working in the kitchen. My drone's here. More equipment in here. Heater because it's pretty chilly. 40-50 degrees, high 30s tonight. TV. And so this is basically where I'll be working here. This is the rest of the kitchen. It's fully equipped, guys, so it's got an oven, microwave, got the refrigerator, okay? Do some grocery shopping later. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the tour. After the video is done, I'll put the link in the description below this video. Good morning, Peepa. She's using her walker for the first time. Look at her. Oh yes, whoa. Are you having fun, baby? She's really moving now. Good job, baby. You're doing such a good job, baby. I'm gonna pull you back, okay? There we go. Oh yeah, she's getting active now. Uh-huh. See, she's doing it now. You're making mommy proud. She's doing so good. I'm so proud of you, baby. I can go anywhere I want. Today is Mother's Day. Where are we going, baby?
Okada.
Okay, so when we go to Okada, baby, don't put any money in the casino machines, okay? We're just going there to watch the show. And we're gonna have some lunch. So keep all your money in your pocket. You guys ready?
Oh, yes.
Say Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, baby.
So this is our little place that we rented just for the night. They are ready to see the house, so this is where I was doing most of my work. Then we have the kitchen right here. Hi, Peepa. You go over here, go up to this loft area. They have a little bathroom in here. This is where basically we were sleeping here. Kind of overlooks the stairs here. For the next video that we have, we're probably gonna already be in the house that we're gonna be renting for the next few months. You guys ready?
We're ready.
There's other guests in the other room right next to us, so it only cost us 1,000 pesos, so that's like $20 per night. Okay, so we're gonna try to sleep now. We'll see you guys in the morning. What happened to your shoes? You dropped it. It's over here. Right here. I got it. Hey guys. I have to pay attention, guys. And it's a paddle. So yeah, I have my Crocs on. Peepa, you having fun? Huh, Peepa?
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to let you guys go so I can so I won't hit anybody. checked into our condo here in Baguio City. This is the kitchen area, so you can see we're still unpacking. I just want to give you a tour of the place, a little hallway. We have Arlene and Pipa. This is the main room here. Little TV action. We have the fan going on. There is no air conditioner here because we're in Baguio City. We're in the mountains and it's really cool up here, so we don't need an air conditioner. We're about to leave Baguio City. We're gonna go to Mines View Park first, but I wanted to show you how cute Pipa is. I bought her this little kimono when I was stopping over in Japan during one of my trips, and she looks like a little Japanese girl. Oh my goodness. Look at this little girl right here. Look at my little girl's outfit. She looks like a little Japanese girl. Are you ready to go see Mines View Park? Hi, baby. You ready to see Mines View Park? Hey. Hi, baby. We had to raise her walker up a little bit more because I think she's growing. What you doing? What you doing, baby? You like that balloon? Getting tired? You getting tired? Oh, bless you. Bless you. Yay! Oh, see, now we're putting the bib on you. I love Daddy. Whoa! Is it good? Good job, Amy.
Yay!
Yay!